background. I've been working in the industry for about 10 to 15 years now, more on the application side. My first course with NetSoft, I'm actually taking the virtualization course. I'm actually enjoying it quite a bit. The environment is quite enthusiastic. Tarek can be very good at getting the points across. Once I get this, I want to take the ESX certification, and then I'm going to work towards possibly getting Active Directory, and then seeing what I need to do from there. What motivates me about NetSoft is the fact that we're doing the labs, we have real-world experience examples that come into our environment. We get to ask a lot of questions, and good communication with the rest of the group.